So not only do I have a cabin to keep warm all winter, I also have this 8x14 workshop. I've never paid for firewood. I've always just collected scrap wood, with permission of course. But it's a lot of work. I just brought all this wood in. I've handled it 3 times so far. Still needs to be dried. And once it's dried, I have this old chop saw here to buck it up into smaller pieces. And I got a little vacuum system from a vacuum cleaner that I found. So I just got back from picking up some more firewood. Just been burning through it this year. I thought all I collected last summer would be plenty, but apparently not. So I just went back to this old construction site, and I already have permission, and they're more than happy to get rid of this wood because it saves them on having to haul it away. So this is what I collected. It's not, a ton, but better than nothing. So I'm going to unload this. There's some really long pieces here that are damaged that I have to cut up. I had to dig out my hauling cart. It was completely buried and frozen. And I'm going to load this up and bring it into the workshop to start warming up. And there's my little wood stove I used to heat my workshop. I'm going to start piling all this wood around the bottom there, otherwise it's never going to dry sitting outside. Just not that long ago, this woodshed was completely full right to the top. Like you could not squeeze one more board in here. Now look at it. And this thing I built during the summer out of scrap wood, of course. And you can see that it's getting pretty empty compared to what it was. And down there, and that thing right there is some more firewood, but it's not a lot.